pull tab. Get it. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I wanted to do an unboxing on my raw Indian curly hair that I purchased from Mayflower hair. So it came in from FedEx. Shipping was really quick. I ordered this on, I want to say like Thursday or Friday, and then it's here today. Today is Monday, so it was very quick shipping. And it came in this bag. It's not open yet, from FedEx. All right, so let's just get to it. To open this tab, and go quickly with this. Not with the mailing thing on it. Okay. The mailing sticker is the reason why I can't just pull it. Alright, so I bought 3 bundles of hair. I got 18-inch curly. So this is how it came. Bundled. It has a rubber band on it, and all of the hair has a tag I can see from here. Just pull this off. Alright, so it has very secure bundling. Alright, this is the pack. Okay, this is the hair, and it does look a little coarse and rough because it is raw hair. It does have to be washed, but this is what it looks like. Has this tag. It shows it's 18 inches. Let me see if I can so you can see from the top. I can run my hands right through there, no shedding. Run my hands right through. And of course, this is curly hair, so it's a little snag, but I will co-wash it. Just flawless hair, actually. Look at that. Let me see if it has a smell. It actually smells like soap. Like it smells like good, clean soap. It smells really good. That smells good. Okay, that's one bundle. Let's see, and then there are instructions. If you can see that, how to care for my virgin hair. Let's see, and it's the type, the length, sorry, and the color, which is just a natural raw Indian hair. It feels like natural curly hair. And this is what it looks like at the top. And they all are the same. 3 bundles of the 18-inch curly. So I plan to get this installed on tomorrow. As you can see, 18 inches looks like on me. The bottom would be here. So this is from the bottom. It's 18 inches, like right here, right above my tailbone. The length. Okay, this is the second pack. I'm going to open it up. Finger comb through it. No shedding at all. These bundles are a good size. This is the second pack. I'm showing you guys the natural curl hair. Also smells the same. 18. This is a true 18 inch. Okay, this is the second hair. Feels just like the first. Smells the same. And the third one. So the bundles do match. They're all the same. This one seems a little thicker, this one. This is the last bundle. Okay, after all of that finger combing with these nails, this is what came out. Basically nothing. And this is just going straight through. Just naturally curly. I love it. 18 inches. So bouncy. And it smells so good. So this is all 3 bundles together. Let me try to show more. Very bouncy, beautiful. Just beautiful, honestly. So this is it, guys. Smells great, beautiful hair. I am going to go and co-wash it. But this is what you get, perfect raw hair. This is definitely raw hair. Naturally curly. All right, guys, I am going to get all of this hair out of the bags. I am going to go and co-wash this and see how it comes out.